Okay guys, welcome back to the episode 3 of NOTaVXR. So this is all about some custom bits that I've had to wanted to do for a while on the car, and just sort of what I did, how I did it, who I contacted and everything like that, and how I installed them. So hope you enjoy. See you in a minute. So because mine's all chipped and horrible, I thought about removing this, which is very strange because I didn't actually realise you could do it, but look at that. So with that, I'm going to get my 3D printer guy to make something to fit in there for us after I've cleaned it up, because that is minging. First things first, I contacted JPH Precision to see if it would be possible to get hold of the things that I was after designing. After getting in contact and he said that he could do it, I had to do a lot of measuring. So on that little cap that we took off, I had to measure every single dimension to make sure that it fitted in the slot that was on the Corsa gear knob. God, it's hot in here. So, in our little goodie bag that I got through the post, first things first is our gear knob cap. He also sent me two, which was quite cool. I don't know if you can see it in this light. Yeah, so it's boshed out, or the other one was bossed in. So this, I'll show you in a minute, just kind of slots on the top. But this is our first port of call. It is 3M double-sided sticky tape. So that is what I'm going to try and use to stick it down. See you in a minute. This stuff is brilliant. I used it to stick down the side repeaters off of a VXR to the outside of the car, and it has lasted at least a couple years now. When you actually take it off the reel, it doesn't feel very sticky, but you have to stick it down, take the red off the back, and then just compress it really hard, and then it just sticks like glue. You can never go overboard with this stuff, as I'm showing you. This is the first time I've ever used a custom 3D printer service, and I can't lie, the patience is outstanding and the service was incredible. All in all, I loved the look. I thought it was just kind of subtle and wasn't too in your face. And now to the front of the car. You could probably do this with the bumper still attached, but I just found it so much easier. So first things first, remove the top 4 bolts of the bumper. Then move on to the 2 bolts that are inside the wheel arch. So there are 5 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those have to come out for the bottom, but it was really hard to film. So then disconnect your fog, air temp or airflow, and your other fog light. And then that is your bumper off, and you're ready to situate that badge. I situated it using some bolts and washers, as you can see, which was just temporary because I wanted to test fit it before I cut down the bolts. After you're all installed and done your business, then just reconnect your fog lights and your airflow or air temperature sensor. I'm pretty sure one of my fog light clips is broken because I noticed it when we were doing the service on it, which is a video coming up soon, but it was unplugged, so I'm assuming the clip's broken. And the final step is just to reinstall the bumper. So 13 bolts done up and undone, and 3 sensors taken off and then put back on, and you've officially rebadged your car. As you can tell, NOTaVXR and proud. I am currently in my boot. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Like, subscribe and share. And I was really pleased how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it and can take some inspiration off of this video. Cheers, guys.